Hey guys, it's Jamster and welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make baked potatoes in an air fryer. But before I do that, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications for fantastic cooking recipes. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat our air fryer. So turn it on and turn on your preheat function as well. And we're going to preheat this at 200 degrees C for 3 minutes. So I've got my baking potato here, and all we're going to do is we're just going to use a fork and we're just going to prick it just all over gently like that, and that just helps it to cook evenly to the back as well. There we are. And then we're going to take some oil and we're just going to drizzle that over and then just rub that in like so, and then very generously we are going to just crack some salt over like that, because you want that to be really nice and salty. And now these are ready to go into the air fryer. Right, okay guys, my potatoes are all ready and they are about to go into the air fryer, which has already been preheated. And all we're going to do is we're just going to add them in like that. Nice. And then, right, okay guys, the potatoes are in the air fryer and we're going to set the temperature. So you want it at 200 degrees C and you want to set your timer to 1 hour. We're going to cook these for 1 hour. Now at the same time what we're going to do is we're going to turn our shake button on. The shake button is like a little alarm that comes on halfway through the cook, which reminds us to shake the food, but in this case we're going to be turning it over, so we're going to do that. So I'll see you guys back in 30 minutes time to turn the potatoes over. Right, okay, so coming back to this, it's had 30 minutes of cooking and we're just going to turn the potatoes over. Like that, and I'm just going to add some more salt on this. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I do like it like this, so just bring that one forward and just add a bit more salt onto that. There we are, and back in again now and let it cook now for a further 30 minutes, which will be a full hour of cooking, and I'll see you guys back when they're done. Right, the potatoes are all cooked and ready and I'm just going to show you how they look. So just look at that, absolutely wonderful. And to check whether they're fully cooked, all we're going to do is we're going to take a knife and we're going to insert it into the middle, and if it comes out nice and clean and easily, they are perfectly cooked. And just look at that crispy skin on the outside. So let me plate these up now and show you guys exactly how they are. Right, okay, so just to show you how perfectly these potatoes are cooked in an air fryer, look at that. Absolutely perfect, soft and fluffy from the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. And there you have it guys, a perfectly cooked baked potato in an air fryer. So there we have it guys, my baked potato in an air fryer already. I've seasoned it, I put a bit of butter in there, which obviously, but nice and fluffy. Just have a look at that, look at that. Now, I'm sure most of you have had baked potatoes. If you haven't, please try the recipe out. I'll catch you next week with a new one. Till then, take care and happy eating.